Hey y'all, it's your favorite fluffy girl, Ebby Nicole, coming to you again this week with another hip tip tutorial situation, honey. Yes, this time we're going to style a t-shirt. Yes, a t-shirt, sis. Now, I want you all to know I'm busty, as you all can see. Okay. And for me, honey, I don't do t-shirts because they make me look boxy. But there is a way to do it, honey, and get it done. Y'all stay tuned. Netflix and chill. Step 1. Check out these tassels and this hair in a high pony. We only Netflix and chilling. And the t-shirt. Yes. Goofy movie. Little twerk for y'all this time. And I can pop it up. I won't this time, no. And my footwork is popping with the platforms. Twirl for the girls. For this look, we're going to class it up with the high bun, some pink chandelier earrings. And you see how the t-shirt is long? But no, we can make it real crop real quick. We're going to roll it up. We're going to try to make a button and then tuck under the boobs because you know what? We ain't got time for that. And then we're going to twirl. Yes, you see the flouncy skirt? And you ain't got to have on heels to pay the bills. With this holographic pink clutch, honey, you are almost complete. Or you can go ahead and make that a purse strap, sis. Be real cute and classy out here getting cocktails and things. Cute. Ow. It's concert season, sis. So what we gonna do, we're gonna keep it real simple. We got some statement piece earrings. It's the earring necklace combo. Some ripped up jeans and some mules from Target. Real cute. And it's a metallic color. Pulling out that yellow in the t-shirt with a real cute bag. Simple. Up. But it's about to get chilly outside, so grab you a jacket. Throw it around them shoulders to give you a little funk on it. Bring your hair back out. Bam. Pick up the purse, or you know what? It's too many strings. It's too. Leave it there. And keep it real classy. Simple, cute, side pick worthy. Ow. Woo. All right. So y'all saw 3 different ways that you can wear a t-shirt, sis. Boxy who? Boxy where? Not here, not with Fluffy Girl, and not with Ebby Nicole, honey. 3 different ways to wear your shirt. So whether you wear it with jeans, a flouncy skirt, honey, or even some real bomb breakaway or jogger pants. We in there like swimwear. See y'all later. What's next? Book me, sis, and follow us at Fluffy Girl Movement on Facebook and Instagram. Find out more at www.empowerthefluff.com.